In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil life or service reminder in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. Resetting the oil life is important to make sure your maintenance reminders are accurate and your vehicle stays in top condition. First, make sure the ignition is turned on or the engine is running. Then press this menu button on the steering wheel. This will open the user settings menu in the instrument cluster display. Then press down this small lever on the steering wheel to scroll through the menu. Keep scrolling until service interval is highlighted. Then press the OK button on the steering wheel. This will open the service interval menu, which displays the mileage and days remaining for service. Now on this screen, press and hold the OK button on the steering wheel for a few seconds. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to reset the time and distance. Select yes, then press OK button. The service reminder will now reset and the countdown for the next oil change starts. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WheezJoint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.